To set up a fishing rod, first connect the reel to the pole by twisting or pushing it into place. Then, assemble the top of the pole by sliding or screwing the pieces into place. Unlock the bail by sliding it up. Then thread the end of your fishing line through the bracket at the very top of the pole. Keep working your way down by working the line through the brackets until you've reached the reel. Wrap the end of the line around the top of the spool twice and secure it with a simple knot. Trim the excess fishing line off of the first knot. Then, turn the crank on the side of the reel to wind the fishing line onto the spool and lock the bail in place by flipping it down. Clip the fishing line off near the top of the pole so you have roughly 2 feet, 0.6 meters left over. Then, thread a sinker through the end of the fishing line. Grab a swivel or slide and thread that on next, stopping at the location where you want your sinker to rest, and tie or wrap the swivel or slide to secure it. Finally, attach your hook at the end of the line.